Are you, as a small or medium-sized manufacturing company, interested in moving your business forward? If so, then you're at the right place. Today, we will discuss how ERP can do this for you. Sometimes it seems like paper is flooding your office, and it's hard to keep track of orders, stock, and production timetables. Does that sound familiar? That's where ERP comes in. Enterprise Resource Planning is akin to your business superhero. It is a fancy name for software that allows you to manage all aspects of your business in one place. With an ERP system in place, you are able to optimize the delivery processes such as managing order taking and inventory, as well as keeping track of production schedules and accounts. Everything is neat and readily accessible, thus enabling you keep your mind on what's really important, growing your business. And here is the best part. The integration of AI or IoT into an ERP system increases efficiency and decreases costs. AI enhances predictive analytics, while IoT sensors provide real-time data, improving decision-making process and profitability. But wait, there's more. As your business expands, so does ERP. It grows with you because it is scalable, hence can accommodate new features and modules without skipping a beat. Therefore, whether you operate a small store or have a mid-sized company, attainable from anywhere on the planet Earth. Enterprise resource planning must be applied discreetly, alongside other tools which guarantee success. So say goodbye to disarray. Let us embrace organized operations, leading us to cost savings and growth. Ready to take your business to the next level? Let Absolute ERP be your guide.